We are to find a 4-digit number A, B, C, D. When this is multiplied by 4, the result has the same digits but in reverse order D, C, B, A. If we examine this question, you take note that A, B, C, D gives 4-digit number as the answer. So the number we multiply as A, B, C, D by 4 must not give us 5-digit number. So let us pick a random number. Let's say 4,323 times 4. That will give us 17,292. This is a 5-digit number, so we cannot accept that. To find the values of A, B, C, D, we will first of all find the value for the letter A. Note, A could be any digit number from 0 to 9. First, let us start from 0. Assuming A is 0, that means the number we have here is 3-digit number. So A cannot be 0. Again, from the example we took, we have seen that A cannot be 4 because 4 times 4 gives 16, and 16 is a 2-digit number. It will make our answer to be more than 4 digits. So 4 and the numbers above 4 will not work at all. So what about 3? 4 times 3 equals to 12. That will give us more digits too. 3 cannot be used. We are left with 1 and 2. 2 times 4 equals to 8, which is 1 digit. This will work. And 4 times 1 equals to 4, also 1 digit. This will also work. Now, between 1 and 2, which one will be our choice? Now, let's look at the result. Here, A is the last digit, and we have to choose from 1 and 2. We know that if A is 1, it means that our result here, this number here, is an odd number. And if A is 2, our result, this number, is an even number. If we have 4 here, when we multiply 4 by any number, the result will be even. So between 1 and 2 is 2 that fits. So between 1 and 2, it is 2 that fits perfectly into the possible value of A. So we have 2 here. Our A is 2. Let's replace A by 2. Now we have 2BCD times 4 all over DCB2. Next, let us find the value of D. If we multiply 4 by 2, we will have 8. And again, we know that for us to have a carry here, when we multiply 4 by B, and the carry must not be more than 1. Because if it is more than 1, it will give us 5-digit number as the answer here. So one of the possible value of D is 8. Again, 4 times 2, supposing there is a carry of 1 from here, 1 will have to make it to be 9. So we have 2 possible values of D here, 8 and 9. 8 does not carry, and when we have 9, there is a carry. So here we have to choose our answer for D from these 2 numbers. Now, to choose our answer, let us come over here in order to decide which of it is the correct answer. You have 4 times 8 equals to 32, and you have 4 times 9 equals to 36. If you look at our answer here, we have 2 at the end, which was A, as the last digit. So we cannot use 4 times 9, which is 36. So our D is 8, which gives us 32. Let us replace D by 8. Next, let us find the value of B. Let us compare 4 times B equals to C. Remember that 4 times 2 gave us 8 for the value of D, meaning we did not carry any number from B to A. This means that B will be either 0, 1, 2. 4 times 0 equals to 0. That is a possible value of B. 4 times 1 equals to 4. This is possible too. 4 times 2 equals to 8. Also possible. But 4 times 3 equals to 12. Here there is a carry, so this is not the possible value of B. So how do we decide which of these is our answer? Note that the whole of this answer must be divisible by 4. Now, the rule of divisibility says that a number is divisible by 4 if and only if the last two digits of the numbers form a number that is divisible by 4. So we will apply the law of divisibility here to find B. So let's apply. If we say B is 0, so we will have 0, 2. Is 0, 2 divisible by 4? No, it is not divisible, so we can't use that. Now, if we say our B is 1, we have 12 there. Is 12 divisible by 4? Yes, it is divisible. Let's check the last on 22. If 4 is divisible by 22, no, it is not divisible. So our answer here is 1. Finally, we have to find the value of C. That's we have 21C8 times 4. Here, C will be the result of this multiplication. 4 times 1 equals to 4. If we did not carry from the previous calculation, but if I have a carry, my number here will be larger than 4. So C could be 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, or 9. Now for us to decide which one of it is our answer, let us come over to this other C. You can find it out from here. I do not know which carry I have here, but I can find it out by multiplying 4 times 8 first. 4 times 8 equals to 32. I write 2 and I carry 3. So 3 is the number we carried. So for us to find C, let us write out a formula that will guide us to find C. Let's say 4 times C plus 3, which is the remainder, will give us a number that have 1 at the end because we have 1 here. So let us check all these numbers if we have a number at the end that we have 1. So 4 times 4 plus 3 will give us 19. So there's no 1 at the end. We cannot use that. 4 times 5 plus 3 will give us 23. We can't use that. 4 times 6 plus 3 give us 27. No, we can't use that. 4 times 7 plus 3 is 31. This has 1 at the end. It will work. This particular one. So let us keep that aside and check for others. 4 times 8 plus 3 will give us 35. No, this won't work. 4 times 9 plus 3 equals to 39. No, this will not work. So 7 is the only one that works. So our C is 7. Finally, we have finished solving this puzzle. Did you figure it out the same way I did? Tell me in the comment section. I'm curious to see your method. Kindly like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Bye.